Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. It has officially been 1 year exactly since I cut my hair. So we're gonna talk all about my hair growth over the past year. I'm gonna be sharing the key to healthy hair growth, and if you've been following my channel for a while, you probably already know what I'm gonna talk about because I talk about it all the time. It's something that I incorporate into my routine all the time, but I figured we would just throw it all into one video and have everything and all my tips and tricks in one place. So let's get started. So let's start with a little backstory. I'm gonna be inserting pictures here and there, maybe like video clips throughout this video so you guys can kind of get a reference for where my hair was a year ago and just pictures of this past year and everything. So basically, let me double check. I was just looking back through my photos and it was actually August 7th that I cut my hair. So probably by the time I post this video, it'll be exactly a year. I was a little bit sad this day, so I don't really have any happy pictures from this day. If you know, you know. But this is what my hair looked like the day that I cut it. It was literally sitting right above my shoulders. For reference, I will also insert a picture of what my hair looked like before I cut it. I've always had long hair. The only time I remember cutting my hair pretty short was right before I went to boot camp for the Marine Corps, and then after that I just never cut my hair until last year. So as soon as I cut my hair this day, I literally was just like, no, I miss my hair. Like, I already knew this was gonna happen. Probably everybody who knows me knew that this was gonna happen, but as soon as I cut my hair, I was like, okay, what are we gonna do to grow this hair back, because I want long hair again. I honestly just feel like I feel and look better with long hair. I think long hair suits me way better, and I love my hair, so I want it to be long and curly. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like 1 year later. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back. So this is what the side looks like, and my head is straight forward. And then this is what the back looks like. So I have been focused on one major thing when it comes to hair growth, and I've been doing this thing in many different ways over the past year in order to grow my hair. I've read and done a lot of research, read a lot of articles, watched a lot of videos saying how scalp care is the key to hair growth. So basically all the tips I have to give you today are all about scalp care. So overall, scalp care equals healthy hair. Scalp care equals hair growth. So if you're not incorporating scalp care into your routine, you need to start today, and I promise you, you're gonna see hair growth results, healthy hair improvements, and all that stuff. All the good things for your hair will happen if you incorporate scalp care into your routine. And I'll also be inserting little clips of me demonstrating what I'm talking about. So definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy the way it was put together, and if you just enjoy it in general, I really appreciate it. So thank you. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about are scalp treatments. They have been super beneficial, and I've basically been going back and forth between two, literally just alternating whenever I feel like I need one versus the other. So the two scalp treatments I've been going back and forth between are the Rosemary scalp treatment from the Innate Life, and then the Aroma Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo. This Innate Life one I've been using, I want to say, for almost 2 years now, and then I've recently introduced this one into my routine, I believe in like April, but I really enjoy this one. So the Rosemary scalp treatment from the Innate Life is more of an oil-based product, and I usually use it when my hair is feeling super dry and just my scalp is feeling super dry and itchy, and it really needs that extra hydration. I always go for this one. So I love the applicator on this bottle. It makes it super easy to apply all over my scalp. So I just apply this all over, and then I usually go in with my fingertips and gently rub and massage my scalp. Honestly, I just try to do it as long as I can. I really enjoy this part of my routine. I also sometimes do use a little claw scalp massager that I got off Amazon, but I really just enjoy using my fingers to do this. And make sure if you're doing this, you're using your fingertips and not your fingernails, especially if you have long nails. You don't want to be like scraping your scalp. And Rosemary is the hair growth ingredient. She is that girl, and you need to be incorporating her into your routine in as many products as you can in order to help grow your hair. So I'm actually on the Innate Life website, and I really like how they list all their ingredients and actually what they're meant to help you with. So I'll link their website down below, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. This is not sponsored or anything like that. They actually did send me this a while ago, but I'm not sponsored or anything like that. I just really enjoy this. But there's a ton of different essential oils in this treatment, and just to name a few, there's rosemary, jojoba, sweet almond oil, castor oil, avocado oil, black cumin seed oil, hemp seed oil, and literally the list goes on and on. But specifically for rosemary, it says it does accelerate hair growth, and I've read that many times. I've done a lot of research, I would say. I'm just very interested in seeing what can grow my hair faster, so I'm always reading articles and stuff, and rosemary is always listed as like a key hair growth ingredient, so definitely recommend. And from how I understand it, when you're massaging your scalp, you're stimulating your hair follicles and increasing that blood flow to your scalp, which also encourages hair growth. So this is the second scalp treatment I have been using. This is the Scalp Purifying Liquid Shampoo from Aromas, and I use this one when I feel like I just need that really deep clean. I need to purify my scalp. So this is the one that I use when I'm just trying to like reset and get my hair back together. So the rosemary one is one I use every week no matter what, and then this one is the one that I use when I feel like I specifically need to have like that deep cleanse. And this one has a really cooling and tingling effect. You can really feel it working on your scalp. It has peppermint oil and also tea tree oil, which helps stimulate your hair follicle as well and also encourage hair growth. So yeah, these are the two scalp treatments that I like to use. I use them before I get in the shower and then wash them out and do my regular wash day routine. I do also have a whole video on the Aromas products. I'll link that video up above if you're interested. Check it out after you watch this one. So let's move on to the second thing I've been doing to encourage hair growth, and that is shampoo massages when I wash my hair. I've been using one of these little scalp massagers. Every single time I wash my hair, I'm using one of these. And once again, it all goes back to massaging your scalp and stimulating those hair follicles. So I like to use the ones that are silicone based. They're just really flexible and they feel good on my scalp. And I just put the shampoo on my scalp. I rub it in a little bit with my fingers, and then I go in with this little massager and I gently massage that shampoo into my scalp by just going in little circles all over my hair. I try not to do big areas of my hair because my hair will get tangled if I try to do like big sections. So I just go little by little all around my scalp, all kinds of way, up and down, side to side, like everything. I just make sure I get my whole head. This just feels really good on my scalp, and it's part of the reason why it takes so long on wash days, because I can sit here and just massage my scalp forever. So next time you're at the store or shopping on Amazon, make sure you grab one of these, add it to your cart, and start using it ASAP. So moving on to the third thing that I do, and that is oil massages. I love this oil from Mielle. It's the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Oil. I've been using this one forever. I don't know why it's focusing. There it goes. This also has rosemary in it, and like I mentioned earlier, rosemary is a great ingredient for hair growth. So I like to do oil massages on my scalp multiple times a week. They're super relaxing, especially if you do it right before you go to bed. It's just a great way to wind down and relax before you go to sleep. It does have the little drop applicator, so it's super easy to apply all over your scalp, and I like to just use my fingertips and then also use this little claw roller massager that I got. I feel like that was a lot of talking, but the major takeaways of this video are: do your scalp massages, take care of your scalp, and get you some rosemary oil and some rosemary based products if you want to see some hair growth. Also, a big factor is just your lifestyle and your diet. I'm not the healthiest person in the world, but I'm very conscious of, like, you know, trying to eat healthy and just what I put into my body and stuff like that. So what you put into your body and just your lifestyle in general can have an effect on your hair, your skin, your nails, everything. So also take that into consideration. Also, I do want to add that I'm just sharing my experience, and I personally don't deal with any actual scalp issues. I feel like I have a very normal, very balanced scalp. The only time it's like out of balance is when I'm just not taking care of it, or when I'm not taking care of my hair in general. So if you do have legit scalp issues and you're having trouble growing your hair or dealing with hair loss and stuff like that, you should definitely go to a dermatologist, because I believe they're the ones who take care of your scalp. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, just make sure you're seeking more than YouTube advice to deal with those issues if you have them. So this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. I hope you start taking care of your scalp if you're not already. I hope you're subscribed if you're not already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.